Good morning, students. Today date is 8 July 2020. 4 number lesson we are going to do that we have done on MCB book, The Skylark. We are going to read this passage and you have to give answer. Our topic is the quiet owl. This is a owl. Now listen carefully. After that you have to give an answer on your workbook, page number 28 and 29. The owl is a beautiful bird. It has a wide head, big eyes, and a keen sense of hearing. Keen sense of hearing means he can listen very carefully. It eats mice and other small animals. What it eats? It eats mice and other small animals. When it sees a small animal, it swoops down to catch it. The owl glides so silently that the animal cannot sense it coming. What he is doing? See, how can an owl fly so quietly? There are soft feathers on the edge of its wings. These soft feathers keep the sound low. Not all birds have wings like these. You too can find out how soft edges keep the sound low. Wave a soft tissue in the air. Listen carefully to find out if it makes a sound. Then wave a piece of paper. Firstly, tissue paper, then take a piece of paper in another hand in the air. Listen to its sound. You will find that the soft tissue makes almost no sound. Soft tissue makes no sound, just like the soft feathers of the owl. The owl's feathers like a soft tissue paper. Now reading this. Put the tick against the sentence out that are true and the cross against that the ones that are not true. We have to tick which are true, we have to cross which are not true. Now first one, owls eat fruits and grains. Now see here, they have written it eats mice and other small animals. Now you have to do that it's true or false. Then you have to do here. The owl scratches loudly as it pounces on an animal. Hanji, what it does? When it sees a small animal, it swoops down to catch it. The owl glides so silently. Now they have written loudly, but they have written silently. Now it's a true or false. There are soft feathers on the edge of the wings of an owl. Now there are soft feathers on the edge of its wings. Now it's true or false. Now the soft feathers in an owl wing help keep the sound low. Keep the sound low. Now read these questions and give an answer. What do owls eat? You have to find answer. What do owls eat? How does an owl catch an animal? That was answer in the passage. How does an owl fly so silently? It has a soft. If waved in the air, which will make a louder noise, paper or a soft tissue? Which will make loud noise, paper or soft tissue? We have read here. Now think and answer. Which other word you like know about? Hanji, who four animals that you know? List at least four names. You have to write here four words name. Then describe any one word. Write here four words name like peacock, parrot, sparrow. You can write any which you know. Then describe any one word. Yeah, then you have to describe one word. Like you are talking about peacock, then you can write about peacock. And if you are writing about parrot, then you have to write about parrot. Like its color is parrot and it likes to eat. Where does it live? You have to do give answer like this way. Okay. Thanks.